In this video, you'll learn how to buy items on eBay using PayPal as your payment method. This process will guide you through searching for products, checking out, and confirming your purchase securely. Begin by signing in to your eBay account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Once you are signed in, use the search bar at the top of the eBay homepage to find the item you wish to purchase. After entering your search term, press the Enter key or click the magnifying glass icon to view the results. Once the search results appear, browse through the listings. When you find an item you want to buy, click on it to view the details. Here you can review important information such as item specifics, seller ratings, and shipping options. If you are ready to purchase, click on the Buy It Now button for immediate purchase or place a bid if it is an auction item. If you are buying multiple items, you can add them to your cart by selecting Add to Cart. After selecting your item, proceed to checkout by clicking the cart icon in the upper right corner of the page. This action will take you to a summary of your selected items. Review the list to ensure everything is correct, and then click the Proceed to Checkout button to continue. This will direct you to the payment options at the checkout screen. Look for the payment methods section. If PayPal is available, select it as your payment option. You will then be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal credentials to sign in. Once logged in, confirm your shipping address and the payment source you wish to use. Review the total amount, which includes shipping costs and any applicable taxes, making sure all details are accurate before proceeding. Next, confirm the payment within PayPal by clicking the Pay Now button. You will see a payment confirmation screen after the transaction is processed. It is advisable to check your email for a transaction confirmation message from PayPal. Additionally, you can monitor your order status in the purchase history section of your eBay account. If you have any questions or need assistance, do not hesitate to contact the seller. Keeping transaction records is important for your safety and reference. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.